I'm going to be trading the Forex market with only $10 and try to trade my way up to $100. If that sounds easy, I'm only using 0.01 lot size throughout this challenge. That means if I use any lot size bigger than that, I'm automatically disqualified from this challenge. Is that possible? I don't know. Let's find out. So if you want to be somewhat part of the challenge with me, you can easily join the Signal group. That's where I actually post all my trades and even the trades I'm going to be taking throughout this challenge. So first, link in the description if you want to be part of it. So to start everything, I'm going to be transferring the $10 we're going to be using for this challenge, and I'm going to show you guys how you can smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Seriously, people don't know that before they start trading, they have to make the like button blue and the red subscribe button ash. Now we have $10 in our account, so let the challenge begin. So I started first by analyzing those spiky boys, but to my greatest surprise, I was not seeing any tradable opportunity. So I waited to see if some sort of setup could come up, and there was nothing and nothing. So with all that happening, I had to see this. Okay, so looking at the market today, I'm not seeing any setup. There is no movement, which means I will more likely take a trade for today. And this is very important because I don't need to take trades every day. But if I happen to take any trades, I'll let you guys know, and I will start filming from tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay, so welcome to the day 2 of this challenge, and let's see where we can take this $10 to. Seriously, yesterday I was not able to take any trade due to the market consolidation, but I hope today will just be a brand new good day where I can actually find trades in the market. But with that being said, let me just do a couple analysis and find the trades that I'll be taking, and yeah, let me get into it.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, so after doing my analysis, I found the trade on EURGBP, which is telling us to actually buy the market. So you could see clearly that price actually got above the moving average on EURGBP. Price have actually gone above the yellow and the red moving average, which is actually telling us to take a buy. And I know kind of like we are late for this buy, but anyway, we can still walk away with a little piece of the pie. Without saying much, let's jump into the trade right now. So for this trade, I'm going to be keeping my stop loss right below the moving average, as it's a very safe place for me to actually keep my stop loss. So taking a look at the 5-minute chart, you can see that price is actually above the moving average. But anyway, I'm actually risking 1% to make 2%.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So right now we're in profit in EURGBP, which is about 60 cents or so. But anyway, it's not a lot, but for this challenge, yeah, we're actually heading somewhere. Anyway, to come to it, I was analyzing my chart with MetaTrader 4. Tradingview would have been a lot more better experience. As far as my indicators are still on MetaTrader 4, I could, understand the charts. If you're actually thinking, where should I do my analysis, I would rather say do it on Tradingview. And one thing with Tradingview is that Tradingview has a lot of indicators. After this video, you can actually sign up for Tradingview, and even the brokers that I also recommend for you guys. The link is in the description of this video.
2 hours later.
So when I was just looking through the EURGBP trade that we took, I was just looking for other pairs that I could actually bank on, and I'm seeing one pair here which is very, very exciting, and I'm not going to miss the opportunity to actually grow this account. Anyway, just a little update, I actually took a trade on GBPSD for a sell. I have 2 trades running on this $10 account, and each of them is in 0.01. So we are not actually defaulting any rule because all the trades that we place are in 0.01. We didn't place anyone 0.02. To be honest, I don't know how to feel about this trade, because if 2 of these trades goes in the negative, that means our account is completely blown and the challenge will end from there. But if you actually make a profit with this one, which I'm pretty sure the setups that I saw were actually good, but if these 2 trades actually end up in a positive, that means are actually 1 step, 2 step, 3 step closer to our goal. But let's just see, time will tell. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
24 hours later.
So welcome to the day 3 of this challenge, and I know what you guys are asking. You're asking, what about the trade that I took yesterday? And for that, I have both good news and bad news. But anyway, let's start with the bad news. So for the bad news, let me take you guys to MetaTrader 4, and you can actually see that here. So you can see the trades that are running. You can see that GBPSD that we took is the one giving us profit, and EURGBP is giving us loss. So basically what is happening here is like one trade is giving you profit and the other trade is giving you negative. And if you count everything, I'm likely to end up in break even, or I might end up in profit. I don't know if you guys have had this feeling before, like you're actually taking a trade and the trade is giving you a whole lot of profit and the other trade is actually giving you negative, which is taking the profits that you have on that one. Let me know in the comment section. This is a very small account and I'm trying to be very careful with it. Now I've told you guys the bad news, so what about the good news? The good news is that we can actually either close this trade in a profit or we can close this trade in a break even. Either ways, we are not getting a loss. So anyway, I just wanted to check in and let you guys know about that. I'm coming. Anyway, bad news is we didn't make a profit. Good news is we didn't make a loss. So we ended up that trade in break even. Since I found out that it was trying to go to the negative side, so I just had to close it immediately at a perfect spot where I didn't make a profit and I didn't make a loss. But anyway, that trade that we took was of yesterday and we've not taken any trade as of today. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to analyze the charts and see whether I can actually take any trades that can make me profit. Anyway, if you're still watching this video and you've not yet liked the video and you've not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Hit the like button and the subscribe button.
A few inches later.
So I've actually done my analysis. I found out that Euro is actually having a little bit of bullish momentum and I want to be trading Euro GBP and Euro AUD because they're actually showing me setup that I actually recognize in the Euro bullish momentum. So let me go ahead and place a trade in Euro GBP. New order, let's place it buy. Let's place a trade in Euro odd, new order, and done. So right now I've placed a trade in Euro GBP and Euro AUD. So right now it's just to play the waiting game.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So right now I have something crazy to show you guys. I'll leave it up here. You can see it here. So the trades that we took in Euro GBP and Euro AUD are in profit. As you can see, Euro GBP is giving us $1.72 in profit. And Euro odd is actually giving us 98 cents in profit, which is giving us a total of $2.56. But right now I want to close this trade so that at least we can secure some profits. At least let's have some profits in our account. So right there we've actually closed our trade. Our $10 is now $12.38. I think that will just be for the end of today and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm also trading my own account, my main account too. So yeah, trading both accounts is crazy, but anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
So day 3 was practice, but day 4 is showtime. So right now I've actually seen a trade that I can take on AUD/USD, which is for a sell. So let me just place a sell on Euro/USD. So right there we've actually placed a trade on AUD/USD, which is sell, and I don't know, right now I'm in profit, but I won't take it too serious because this is just market fluctuation. Where I'm actually targeting this trade is within 40 pips to 50 pips, and that's it for AUD/USD. So we're just going to wait it through and see what happens. Okay, so I want to show you guys something crazy now. So right here that you could see, price is actually at our take profit zone. So as you could see our entry, and you could see how price dropped. Seriously, it's very good to be confident in your analysis. And for this movement in the market, guess how much we made? We're actually making $5.57. But anyway, I very much expected it. And you could see that our balance is from $12.38, but our equity is at $18. So anyway, let me close the trade and secure this profit we have here. So right there, our balance is at $18.15. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to keep this episode flowing till I get to $100. So I'm going to drop the phase 2 of this challenge next week. But if you don't want to miss that out, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, which is the most important thing, so you don't miss that out. And if you have not yet liked this video, hit the like button because it will actually keep me motivated to keep uploading these videos. You can actually join the VIP signal group. That's where I'm going to be pasting all the trades I'm going to be taking. But anyway, if you want to know the secret indicator that I found on Tradingview, make sure you check this video here because I explain every single detail you need to know about that indicator. So with that being said, catch you in the next one.